Good morning everyone, I'm Dhanashekar Haripriya and I have finished my bachelor's in computer science in the year 2019 from CMR SET College. I have been working in my dad's company since last 1 year. It is called the Harisha Enterprises and the company basically deals with doing interior contracts for malls and supermarkets such as Ratnadeep, Central, FBP, etc. I wanted to get a field experience for 1 year before joining any other company. So that's why I've been doing a job in my father's company for the past 1 year. So I'm glad that I've been selected for the first group of the interview in the aliens groups. So to know more about the alien groups was started in the year 2004 and it was started by Harish Chella and Venkat Chella Garu. This is basically a private construction company which is been establishing their constructions day by day, and today they have bought a very interesting project before us, that is the alien space station at Tellapur. So now we will be discussing more about the information that is being shared in the brochure of the aliens group of companies, that is the alien space station. So let's get started. So alien space station or the alien space station township looks something like this. It is totally in the shape of S, and I will later tell you what is the reason of the shape S. And it totally consists of 30 floors and 14 stations. The first station starts from here and continuously it is being done until the 14th station. So it looks something like this. And let us discuss about the awards and recognition that the aliens group of company has been got. So the first award is that Cityscape Award that is being given in the year 2009 for the best residential development award and the highly recommended award. So the next we got an award and the certification from the Indian Green Building Council, that is IGBC. This is generally an organization which certifies a construction site about how globally eco-friendly it is. So in that we have been selected and given a platinum. That is, we usually have 3 levels in this: the silver, gold and platinum, and we have been selected for the platinum certification by the IGBS. So next awards we have been got from as a highly recommended apartment award and the mixed use development award and also the mixed use architecture award from different companies. And mainly we have got a very prestigious award that is called the London Quality Crown Award, and we have been the winner of the International Quality Crown Award. And to know more about this award, in this participants were from many different countries. They were almost from 117 different countries, and we have got a gold medal in it, or we have been selected for the gold category. So this is the project overview of the alien space station. So it almost looked like this, and here if you have seen, it consists of 4 different varieties from which you can select your things. That is the 2 BHK flats, the 2+1 BHK flats, the 3 BHK flats, and finally we also have the duplex flats. And this is something that looks okay. So we basically believe in live, work, shop, play all at one place, which is being built, that is called our alien space station. So in this, total apartments is 2,193 apartments totally, and from that we have given 738 apartments for 2 BHK and 2+1 BHK apartments, and we have given 14 sky villas, 53 duplex apartments, and then we have given 1388 for the 3 BHK flats. So here, as you can see, the total land coverage, from all the total land coverage, which is from the 100%, we have taken only 20% for the constructional site, and remaining 80% of the open area, or that is used for the maintain the greenery. We have totally 14 stations and 83 towers in total, and it consists of 30 floor each and tower. So here the alien space station location map. So alien space station location map, something looks like this. And what do people generally like they feel they should live in such a place that is easily accessible by anyone, or it is easily accessible to go to any place in less amount of time. As we know that the alien space station is located at Tellapur, and Tellapur is known as the heart of Hyderabad. That means it is exactly located at the center of the Hyderabad, so that the access to all over the regions in the Hyderabad is very easy and less time. So as you can see here, from the alien space station that is located at Tellapur, we can reach Gachibowli in just 5 minutes. We can reach the ring road in 7 minutes. We can reach the high-tech city, which has the top MNC companies like Microsoft, Amazon, etc. within 10 minutes. And we have also reach the Oxford School in 10 minutes, and the international Rajiv Gandhi Airport, we can just reach it in 20 minutes. So we have multiple number of restaurant, food courts, shopping malls, universities, almost all near to a space station. So this is the alien space station that is being built, and as you can see, everything usually you get around 10, 15, 20, max 20 minutes. You can get to any of the place in Hyderabad really easily without any problem of the traffic. So next, as we have discussed more about the locality awards that the alien space station has got, the main things that people or the residents who come here mainly focus on the interiors and inside, how well the facilities are there, everything. So when keeping that in mind, we have been giving a very different range of features as an interior here at an alien space station. So here in the features we have the abundant glass usage, French windows to get a very good ventilation inside the home, balconies with spectacular views as the balcony view directly connects to the lake view, and also touchpad switches, so everything inside the alien space station homes are totally automatic and touchpad switches are there, and also we have a very good tiles flooring. So next we would be talking about kitchen. So the kitchen generally looks like this, and the features that are available in the kitchen are, we have a separate breakfast counter, we have a separate area for wet washing area where you can wash your utensils, that is separately maintained like a wet area, and you also have a direct gas connection, so you don't need to maintain a separate gas connection. We would be providing all the residents with a good gas connection directly. We also have a stainless steel sink and drain board, and we also give a very good modular kitchen. And the next we would go to the bedroom. So bedroom is the main place where you can rest, and we have given the topmost facilities that we could give to make your home a smart home. And the bedroom, so the features are remote control switches, so all the switches in the bedroom are also remote control, and we have given many TV sockets also in the bedroom so that you don't miss your entertainment in the bedroom. And we also have a spectacular window often leading to an individual balcony. From the bedroom you'll be having a connecting balcony which has a spectacular view of the lake. So next we come to the bathroom, and bathroom also we were providing many good features like the false ceilings, and here the utilities that are being using, also the bath accessories are also made of good company, that is the Hindware, Jaguar, Parryware, etc. That is totally good brand and it will last for long and long. And we also have the shaver sockets separately, we have the bath accessories, and also we have the stainless towel rails and the standard fixtures in the bathroom. So next we have a very interesting place that you can own. It is called the Sky Villa. So as I've told, the Sky Villas are really an attractive point in the alien space station, because these sky villas help you to feel that you're directly connected to the sky. And these sky villas are usually present in the 30th floor, that is the top floor, to give you a very good view of the sky. And as you can see here, it's totally on the top view and you can get a very good spectacular view. So next, interior packages. So we have made a different interior packages, so that it would be comfortable for all our residents. We know different people have different kinds of categories of their selections, everything, their options. So we are giving you 3 best options from which you can select whichever suits your family the best. So let's get started. So here in the interior packages, we have three different types of packages, which is the contemporary, the normal, and the bespoke options. So let us discuss one by one. So first is a contemporary option. So in the contemporary option, it is basically like the first option, which looks really classy for the people who opt their home to be, really classy, easy manageable. They can opt for the contemporary option. So in this option, you would mostly see that your interiors are totally in black and whites combination, which makes your interiors really, really classy. And the next, you can see the living room, something looks like this in the contemporary option, and the bedroom looks like this, and the sky villa looks something like this. Okay, so the next one is the natural. The natural option is something which we kept really simple and natural for the people who love simplicity, and it should be up to simple and perfect. They can opt for the natural option. In this, we have used many colors like the beige colors, light colors, which would give you always a soothing kind of a home feeling. So this is there in the natural. As you can see, this is the natural thing, and the sky villa also looks something like this in the natural option. So the last option is bespoke option. So when you see the bespoke option, anyone can guess by seeing the pictures that we use lots of woodwork in this. The wardrobes, everything is made up of wood. So in the bespoke option, we have maintained the interiors to be in the colors of brown, cream based colors, but mostly we are using brown in this. And we have a lots of furniture works, furnished floors, or this one, everything. So here you can also see the sky villa, which looks something like this. So next one, as I've told, we have been making a promise as that we would maintain a eco-friendly residence for everyone, and we have also made a promise that we would make your homes into a really smarter homes by using a very good invisible technology. And let's discuss about what are the features that makes your home into a smarter home. So the first feature is touchscreen home automation. So everything would be automatic in your home and also touchscreen. Next, we go to the video door phone. The video door phone is used to connect to people who are outside your door, so that you would know more about them, and then you can decide you want them to come inside for more of the safety purpose. So the next one, it comes to the biometric locking system. So everyone know nowadays biometric is everywhere, in your smartphones, at your office places, everywhere, because it is used to increase the security purpose. So we have been using here the biometric locking system. That means the door opens with your biometric, that is from your thumb impression only, so that no other person can go into your home without your permission. Next technology that we're using is 100% backup technology. So due to this 100% power backup, you don't need to get worried about the power cuts at Hyderabad. You would be provided with the power 24/7. So the next one is piped gas connections. So nowadays there are many issues due to the gas connections, and there are many accidents that are happening due to the gas leakage. So keeping all this in our mind, we have been providing you with the piped gas connection. That is, all the residents who are in the alien space station would be getting a direct pipe connection. Reverse osmosis system. So we are using a reverse osmosis system to make the water treatment really good and ensure that you all have a safe water. And next one is a 5-year facility management system. So we will be providing you a 5-year management service. So if you have any problem within the 5 years, we are here to help you. So some more technology advances that we have is the climate. So yeah, many people know, because these option is being provided nowadays in everyone's cars, and many people also have it in their home outside India, like US, China, the developing countries. And now we have also this in our alien space station. So what is this exactly? This is a climate controller, monitor. It generally monitors the temperature outside. It generally adjusts the temperature according to the weather or the temperature outside to maintain a good perfect temperature inside your home. So next one is the lighting. So nowadays you don't have any problem with the lighting. So you have totally automatic switches, so you don't need to on and off switches. Everything is automatic now. And some other technology items are, as I told, biometric locking system, fire and gas alarm. So if there is any fire accident, even if you're at the home or not at the home, you would be notified immediately, and also they will be getting a fire alarm or a gas alarm. Next one, program using email notification. So when you're getting into your house, you can just connect everything with your email so that you will be notified if anything happens in the home, or if you want to be notified with small things, if anyone enters your house, who's going your house, everything would be notified, and you would get a notification at your email. Security. So we have 24/7 security at our alien space station, so there is no worries of the security, so you're secure all the day. Next one, home motion sensors. So in this home motion sensors, you generally have the sensors all over your home which senses your motion, and according to that they on the lights, off the lights, on the ACs, it can on, everything can be automated. Next one is the maid mode. So the maid mode is also really interesting feature in this, because you would be notified when your maid just enters the house and also leaves the house. You would be notified continuously. And next one is the kids mode. So kids mode is a mode which can be enabled by you when your children is all alone at your home, and when they go into a restricted area, you will be immediately notified that your kid has been going to the restricted area. So whenever you go home, you want to leave your children alone at home, so don't worry, just on the kids mode and your kids are safe. Next one, flat enhancement option. As we have even seen about the interior option and the technology option, we have given 3 different types of option to match your budget and also to your requirements. So let's see. Option 1. So in this option 1, it is a basic home living option. So you'll be getting all the basic requirements that you need to live a life. There will be full size UPVC windows, then bigger main doors, private corridor along with the design kit, glass railing and the balcony. So these are really good options to go if you are preferring to a very simple life. You can go with the option 1. So in the option 2, you will have all the options that is there in the option 1, but in addition to that you would have some other options. Let us see what are those options. You'll be having a false ceiling, digital switches, emulsion paints, bigger main doors and private corridor gate. So if you opt for a bit advanced level than the option 1, you can opt for the option 2. Now let's see the option 3. So these option 3 homes are totally advanced and super smart homes. So in the option 3, you'll have all the facilities that I've been mentioning with the technology and also with the interiors. So in option 3, you'll be having all the features that is available in the option 1 and option 2. Along with that, you'll be having other options such as total biometric finger, and again you'll have white cement based putty, then thermostatic mixtures, false ceilings, emulsion paints, branded biometric lock and everything. So it is up to you that you would prefer option 1, 2 or 3 according to your budget and according to your requirements. So next one, we mainly as a group, we mainly think about greener, greenest. We try to maintain this eco-friendly nature in all the constructions that we are doing, and the same is being maintained in the alien space station. So as we believe in this, we have left 80% of the land just for the open space and also for the greenery, and we have used only 20% for the construction. So what is the benefits of maintaining this? So the benefits are improved air quality. The air quality would be really high, which is used to have a good life. Abundant natural daylight, so the daylight would be also in a great amount. And we have the community saturation and the general health, non-pollution. The pollution would be really less here. Effective building management system, less utility bill payments, as we'll be using many renewable energy here like the solar energy, everything. so your bills will be minimum. So don't worry about the electricity bills. Your bills will be at the minimum. So here is the IGBC green homes. So IGBC greens homes are basically a certification from an organization which tells that your residence or your construction site is eco-friendly. So this also has 3 different types of parts, that is silver, gold and platinum. It is accordingly selected or certified according to how you match these. So let us see how much we could relate with our alien space station. Site selection and planning. So site selection and planning, we have been used a site that has the soil erosion control. So even if there is a big earthquake also, you will not be having any kind of problem. And we also have the greenhouse guidance. So we are also maintaining all the guidelines that are being used to maintain a greenhouse. Next one is the water efficiency. As you can see, we are using the rainwater harvesting, rainwater harvesting on the roof, non-roof, etc. to maintain the water and reuse the water. So next comes the energy efficiency. As I have already told, we would be using most of the renewable energy to use the energy at the alien space station. So we would be using the solar energy, water energy, different kinds of the minimum energy performance, and we also maintain a system that ensures a minimum energy performance. Next one is the material and resources. Separation of household waste, organic waste management. So we are also doing organic waste management, whereas you can develop organic waste aside and by collecting the waste that is being used to reuse. So next we have the indoor environment quality. As I have told, we have a really good ventilation by providing a really large windows. We also have a good cross ventilation system. So all these ensures a good and indoor development quality. So next one is innovation and design process. We have the innovation and design process as a certificate. So there is no problem about the innovation and design of the alien space station. So as I told you, the certificates generally have it in silver, gold and platinum, and we as the alien space station has owned the platinum. We have got the platinum, that we have got the points from 55 to 79, which is the highest. So ours is a 100% eco-friendly project. So next, let us discuss more about the clubhouse. So in the clubhouse, we would be having different kinds of activity to entertain all the residents here at our alien space station. So let us see. We have all the spas, library, saloon, AC gym, etc. We have different kinds of activities in the clubhouse. As you can see here, we do have outdoor games also. Nowadays, kids are too much attracted or getting used to the games, video games, etc. because they don't find place to play. But here in our alien space station, we are providing a very good amount of the outdoor games such as cricket, tennis, kids fun pool, kids play area, skating and jogging park also, so that all the facilities could be used by our residents easily. We also have the indoor facilities such as the table tennis, shuttle, carom board, AC gym, yoga, basketball, swimming pool. So we have 2 types of swimming pool, the outdoor swimming pool and also the indoor swimming pool. You can access whichever you like to, and we also have a separate swimming pool for kids. Okay, so as we have taught about all the utilities and all that, you have gym, AC, everything. So what about shopping? So yes, we also have an alien mall in the alien space station, so you don't need to worry about going out in traffic and shop all along. So in the alien mall, we would be having different banks, ATM, coffee shops, libraries, books, stationery, supply stores, saloons, etc. There are many kinds of things in the alien mall to the access. So next one, helipad. We also have a helipad at the alien space station. It is being placed in the 9th floor, which is easily accessible from any floor, any station from 1 to 14. It is being accessible and it is present on 30th floor in the 9th station. Next one, fire safety measures in alien space station. So yeah, we ensure that there is a minimum amount of fire accidents that is happening in our alien space station. But indeed, if any fire accident happen, what are the measures that we have been taking? Let us discuss. Here we have sprinklers all around the alien space station. So the sprinklers would detect any kind of smoke that is being coming out in a case of a fire accident, and that would be operating immediately. We also have some fire alarms that would be, the fire alarms that would be ringing in any kind of the fire accident. We also have a helipad to get an immediate help for the fire accident. We also have the gas safety option. We also have the staircase. In case if there is any fire accident, please don't use the lifts. There are staircase which you can use for a safe access. Traffic management system. So next we would be discussing about the traffic management systems. So usually the traffic is really high when so many people, so many residents are living at a single point of a place. But to ensure that there is no traffic, we have been taken some measures here. So let's discuss about that. We have a chip inserted in every vehicle. So a small chip would be inserted in every car, bike, or everything. So whenever it comes to the stop sign here, right there, the stop sign would automatically lift and it would allow you to pass through it, so that you don't need to wait for any security to come and attend you right there. And we also have totally 7 gates: the gate 1, gate 2, gate 3, gate 4, gate 5, gate 6, and gate 7. 7 in gates, that is through that you can come in, and 7 out gates. So total you have 14 gates. So I think this is quite a good number of gates that has been provided to manage the traffic around here. So next, same thing we have been using for the traffic management. And now let's come to the external road network. So what all are the other roads that are being connected near the alien space station? So as you can see here, the National Highway 9 is almost near to the alien space station, and you also have the major railroad which is also near the Tellapur alien space station. And as you can see here, this is the main alien space station and the lake. So we wanted every residents to enjoy the lake view, and so that we have made it like it comes in this part so that everyone enjoys the lake view. Here is a outer ring road, the picture of here. There is a junction here, so that from where you would be entering here. And as you can see here, they are separate car access separately, like for residents separately and visitors separately, so that there is no a clash between both the residents and visitors. And the security system for visitors would be a little bit higher than the normal. So as you can see here, there are different gates for the access of the residents and also the visitors separately. Landscape concepts. So we have used an international landscape concepts here at the alien space station. So you can see different varieties of landscape items that have been present. You can see different types of chairs and benches to ensure that you are relaxing really well when you are at a garden or any play area. We also have different kinds of lights here. You also have the walkway lights, so that you don't have any problem if you're walking around in the night times. And you also have different kinds of lights which increases the beauty of the alien space station. And as I mentioned, we have been using 80% of the land for the greenery purpose. We are not making sure that everything is greenery with the same items. No, we are specific about what plants to plant at which place, and we have made a very big study of that. And according to that, we have some particular plants at the golf area, we have particular plants at the swimming pool area, and we have a separate bamboo corridor where you can find a different varieties of bamboo, which adds a really beautiful place for the alien space station. Structural advantages. When we talk about the structural advantages, as I told, we have been used a different form of architectural structure to build the alien space station. As I have also told you that it is in the shape of S. So let us discuss more of this. So here we have this S shape is built in such manner that you will even be better, and it can even withdraw with any kind of earthquake it cannot collapse very easily. So the next one is the space station is structure designed per the international norms. As I've told, we are not using just normal architecture norms, but we are using also the international norms. So the S shape is ensured so that there is a equal ventilation to everyone, and also there is a cross ventilation process to ensure there is a good air ventilation at your home. And you can also see here interconnected corridor. So we have maintained the interconnected corridor so that you can connect easily from one station to another station. And we also have the steel walls. The normal building consists of columns which are designed in concrete frame. So here we are using the international norms and making the shear walls really strong to withstand any kind of earthquake or any other pressure. So next one, the height of the building is almost 30 floors. So it is not easily made to build such a big 30 floors building. So we have take many consults from the international business to ensure that there is a proper architecture maintained. So as you can see here, this is how I was telling, it is in the shape of S. Many people think that alien space station, so due to the name space station, the building is in the shape of S, but no, actually there is a scientific reason along the shape of S. As you can see in the shape of S, everyone has a chance to view the outside or the lake view, and the air can also easily pass through all the residents or all the houses that is there here. And I've also told that the helipad is placed the between, so that this and this axis is easy for them. So next, what to look for a real estate. So I know as you are spending lots of money in here to get a house, so what should we really look over in a real estate? So here are some points which you can ensure that you're buying a home, so that if your home or any investment that consists all of this, it is a good thing. So first of all, the location. The location is really good here. As I told you, there's 80% of open land which ensures the eco-friendly nature. So the location is perfectly good. Lone and clear latitude, loan and clear land tiles. So here as you can see, loans, take good loans, home loans from a company which ensures that it can help you all throughout your way building your dream house. So next one is a security. Opt for a gated community. So this is a gated community and it has 24/7 camera access and 24/7 security to ensure a good safe environment for all the residents at the alien space station. So next one is the accessibility, and as told, it is located at Tellapur, the heart of Hyderabad. You can have an easy accessibility within any time of 10 to 15 minutes to any place in Hyderabad that you want to access easily. So water and air, as I've told, water, we are using a management system, a highest water technology system to ensure a good water supply. And also air, as I told, the shape of the S is maintained, and we have given long big windows to ensure there's a good air quality and also good air ventilation. So next one is assess management services. So management services, as I told you, we are giving 5 years of a management service. That is, within 5 years, if you're having any problem at your residence, we are here happily to help you out. So next one, project specifications. So again, I'm going to discuss some specifications of the project. Windows, so we have really long open windows, UPVC windows, so that you get a good amount of air and ventilation inside your home. And doors, main doors are really made really huge, and the access is also easy with the biometric fingerprint. The toilets, we are using a good amount of sealing, sanitary wrap and everything that we are providing. Kitchen, we have a direct gas connection. Also, we have been providing you with a modular kitchen which is easy to maintain. And also we have the testimonials. So testimonials, what is it? We got some very good feedbacks from our customer, and let's discuss any two of them from it. So the first one is, aliens had delivered more than what I had promised me. I'm very impressed with the quality of the construction and excellent support team. So our team is always here to support you, Mr. Vijay Kumar, and we are glad that you liked all the qualities and all the facilities that are being given by our Alien Group. So the next one is, wow, I never knew that the quality comes out at this price. Commendable quality by Arian Space Station. As I've told you, we would ensure the quality to 100%, and we as a good company, the Alien Groups, are always interested to give 100% quality in minimum amount of money. So did you know? So there are many amazing facts that people don't know about our Alien Space Station. So let us know more about it. You can see the basement area of the Alien Space Station is 1,51,000 square meters, which is equal to 35 FIFA football fields. So that's really huge. So 35 FIFA football fields together, is same as the basement area of the Alien Space Station. So that's really a good thing. The number of doors at the Alien Space Station is 5 times more than the White House. So the number of doors at the Alien Space Station is really huge, that it is 5 times more than the White House. So you have many other features, and do you know facts about that? And next one, international consultants. So international consultants, so we have been taking support from the international norms also to build a better future real estate thing. So here we have taken support of Stephen, who is a chief architect, and we also have Paul, who is a world renowned architecture, and we also have our Dr. Ravi Prasad, who is a structural engineer, and we also have Denis, who is a landscape architecture. So these are all our international consults, and we have taken all the help of them to build a better and international standard residence. And here are some other projects of our Alien Group of companies. We have the Aliens Elite, we have the Aliens Valley, we have the Aliens Valley at Gachibowli, Hyderabad,